And hello, YouTubers. Hey, this is Dave, and this is my 2003 Lexus SC430. The engine light came on. Actually, it came on a few weeks ago. So I took it down to the local repair shop, and they said they would be happy to scan it and tell me what the problem is. And that would be $158 up front for the scan. I said, no. Let me think about this a minute or two. Then to come find out, O'Reilly's Auto Parts, which I'm not a sponsor of and get nothing in return for mentioning them, because other chains of auto parts probably do the same, but they will do a scan and tell me what the problem is, and of course they want to sell me the parts to fix that. Anyway, they scanned it today, told me there was a misfire in cylinder 3, and cylinder 3 is on the driver's side of the car, second one back. So I'm going to be taking the coil out. Each cylinder has a coil. They said that's what the problem was. And so this video is to show you how to remove the coil. Again, right side of the car for cylinder 3. Removing, I believe this is a 10 millimeter. Let me see if I can get, yeah, right there where the blue tape is. Counterclockwise. And loosen that bolt. All right, there it is. And then I will unclip the connection right here. There we go. Here's the coil. Simply slides out. There it is. That is the coil that each cylinder has. I don't have a helper or a tripod. Let me grab the new one. Here we go. Import direct, replacement parts. And if it focuses, that's the part number, etc. Made in Poland. Okay. And voila, the new coil. Back over, slide in the new coil, which by the way clips onto the spark plug. Simply just push it in, and I'll put the bolt back in. Hang on, people. I'm here. Again, it's just one bolt, 10 millimeter. And clockwise. Tighten it up. It's in there. Put the clip. Oops, sorry about that. I put the bolt back in. Right there. Clip the clip in. Should match. Done. Let me start it up, see how it sounds. Because it was missing, not smooth. And let's see what this has done. Oh, much better. Very smooth. Idle perfect. Success. Finally, something simple has been performed by me. That probably would have cost me $158 for the scan and probably $200 labor and tax, $400. All right. Bye, YouTubers.